Hello guys, how are you today? I hope all is well with you and with your family. So for today's video guys, I will tour you around here in Saudi Arabia. This is a rail station guys. So ang nasa likuran ko ay Kuray Station. Actually malapit lang to sa office namin. And since more than 2 weeks na tayo guys dito sa new office natin. So ang ginawa ko ay nag-explore muna tayo dito sa neighboring place natin. So akala ko may kainan dito but unfortunately wala ang kainan dito guys banda. More on residential po dito. So ito po yung station. Malawak siya guys. At syempre dahil completed na to, pero hindi pa siya fully operational guys. So we're still waiting. I don't know kung kailan talaga ito mag-start. But soon, gagana na to guys na isang way of transportation dito sa Saudi. Ayan. So sobrang lawak ng station na to guys. Malapit lang to sa office namin. So pag gumana na to, we can use this as our daily mode of transportation. Makakatipid na tayo guys. So may mga buses din guys. Ayan. So meron ng umaandar na tren guys. Testing pa lang yan. Hindi pa po yan talagang fully operational. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye.